Being visible is extremely important when outdoors, walking near traffic, when lost, on the open water, or making roadside repairs. A personal high-visibility light that is extremely rugged would naturally be the answer. That product does exist today, made by a very reputable company, and there's a link in the description below to visit their website and examine the full range of products they make. They're available in professional and recreational models. They're designed to be wearable and can also be vehicle or bike mounted using a high-strength magnet assembly or mounting bracket, depending on the model. The manufacturer has a core belief in personal lighting technology that will save lives. These devices are rugged enough to protect the lives of law enforcement and first responders in the field, yet practical and versatile enough to be on any construction site or outdoor adventure. The manufacturer states that these personal protection safety lights are rated up to 5+ miles of visibility. Use the link in the description below to see their full range of safety lighting products and order the lightweight and durable multi-brightness personal safety device that's right for your safety.